Now let's move towards the second question. How is a language formed? Again, we are not trying to establish a fact. We are not trying to establish a theory that how a language is formed. But we are trying to have a general idea that how a language is formed. And my first reference book is again the Holy Quran. In Surah Rahman, verse number 3 and 4, Allah Almighty says, He hath created man. So He is the creator of man. He hath taught him speech, utterance. And it is Allah Almighty who has taught us speech. So speech is basically taught to us. This is what the Quran says. And ultimately, we the human beings have been progressing in this speech by the grace of Allah Almighty. To understand the formation of language, I'd like to mention two theories. Though there are many theories, but these two theories will give us better understanding of formation of language. The first theory is Humanistic Theory. The Humanistic tradition considers language as human invention. According to this theory, language is invented by human beings. We are not going into the detail that how this language was invented, but definitely we know that why this language was invented. Second theory is Gestural Theory. And this theory says that language is the result of gestures. Language is formed from human gestures that we used for communication. So human beings use gestures for the communication, and these gestures ultimately became a language. So what is our understanding of a language? Language is a system of communication. Language is a tool. Language is a device. Language is used to convey our message. And language is a gift of Allah Almighty. It is given to us by Allah Almighty. And some people say that language is invented by human beings, and some people say that language is the result of human gestures. But one thing has become very clear, that language is used by human beings and it is used for communication.